I've been searching for the last few hours on a method to get free Steam gift card codes in 2024. And the reason I'm bringing you this video is because this is going to be a tutorial showing you a brand new working method to get free Steam gift cards. So this is going to save you a bunch of time and effort. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so let's get into the tutorial and show you how you can get your free Steam gift card codes. You need to use your mobile phone, so I've got my iPhone here and I've opened up Safari, but yeah, it doesn't matter which mobile you have and which internet browser you choose. So open up the internet, go to www.wavycoupons.com. So you gotta make sure you type it exactly like this, guys. And this is the website you need to navigate your way to, Wavy Coupons. This is an awesome website. I discovered them a few months ago. And as you can see, guys, they have tons and tons of different pages ranging from coupon codes to game codes. They basically specialize in saving money across pretty much everything you can think of. So go to the search bar here and just type in Steam gift. Basically just navigate your way to this Steam gift card codes page so you can search for it, manually look for it, whatever you choose, guys. Just find this web page here. Now, as I mentioned, guys, you can get a $100 free Steam gift card code. You can also get a free game if you wish. And these coupons are limited. So these gift card codes are limited in number, but they do keep replenishing the number of codes available. So click on show coupon. Now, because these are limited codes and they are worth $100 in free Steam credit, you need to unlock your code. Now, this is a code that you can enter in directly on the Steam platform, and it's going to add $100 to your account or wallet, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, you can spend that however you want. So you do need to unlock your personal code. Now, you need to verify yourself as a real person, basically, just to confirm you're not a robot looking to take all of the codes. So when this reaches 100%, guys, you're going to see a new screen and it'll tell you how to unlock your code. I'm not going to do it. Like I said, I've already got enough credit on my Steam account and these coupons are limited. But yeah, you're going to need to verify yourself, basically complete a couple of these simple tasks. It takes about 5 minutes. And once you've done that and fully completed all of the instructions, your code will be fully revealed. So these stars will turn into characters, basically, and you can enter your code directly into the Steam account, and it's going to give you a $100 credit, guys. Simple as that. So head over to Wavy Coupons and search for the Steam gift card codes page. And what I will say, guys, is make sure you subscribe to the channel, because 60% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Smash that like button if I helped you get your free Steam gift card code, and I shall see you in the next one, guys.